Okay, so we're supposed to select the correct answer, just one. But let's read the question. It says, or statement. No, it's a question. The function f of x sine of x is graphed on the domain from 0 to 2 pi. Okay. Which statement is true about the leftmost point? So when they say from 0 to 2 pi, let me highlight what that is. 0 to 2 pi. So this is 0. This is going from here to here. This point right here to this point right here, this is x equals 0, and this is x. Let me change the color. You can barely see that color. This is x equals 0, and this one is x equals 2 times pi. Okay. And then it says, which statement is true about the left point x? Well, we know this point right here. So they want to know what's true about the statement, about this point right here. Well, first and foremost, y equals 0. So the point is an x-intercept. Well, yeah, that's true. Well, can it be that easy? I think so. Is that the x-intercept? Yeah. Because y equals 0. Right, the x-intercept occurs when y equals 0. Let's read the other stuff. The point between the x-intercept and it is a point between the x-intercept and the maximum. So these are what we call relative maxes. So this is a relative max. The valleys are called a relative min. We use the word relative because actually you could say absolute, but there's more than one. Anyways, that's a very good formal question. But the maxes are the top of the hill and the minimums are the bottom. Okay. But it is not between there. They're claiming that this occurs somewhere in the middle here, and that's not true. The point is a minimum. No, it is not a minimum. Is it a maximum? No, it is not a maximum. And that's it.